First date. Butterflies in your stomach. Will they like you? You try to be funny, but it falls flat.
Awkward. Sometimes it doesn't work out. You break up.
But friends are forever. Your besties have your back. And sometimes you find the one.
Love is a language. Learn to speak it.
From hanging out to settling down.
Welcome to episode 20. Let's talk about love.
Hello, romantics. Welcome back to the English Global Podcast. I am Anna.
And I am Michael. Can you believe it? We're at episode 20. We have come so far together.
It is a milestone, and to celebrate, we are talking about the most popular topic in the world, love and friendship.
Relationships. They're complicated, messy, and wonderful. Anna, do you believe in love at first sight?
I'm a romantic, so yes, I think you can have a spark instantly. What about you, Michael? Are you a cynic?
I am a realist. I believe in love at first conversation. You need to talk first.
That is very sensible. Today, we're going to learn the vocabulary for every stage of a relationship.
From having a crush, to asking someone out, to breaking up, the sad part.
And we will also talk about friendship. What makes a bestie different from an acquaintance?
And we have a grammar focus on phrasal verbs for relationships. Get along, fall for, make up.
So, open your heart. Please like this video to show some love and subscribe to be our bestie.
Part 1. Friendship levels. Ping pong conversation. So, Anna, let's start with friends. We have different words for different levels, right?
Yes. At the bottom, we have an acquaintance. This is someone you know, maybe from work, but you are not close.
Right. You say hi in the hallway, but you don't invite them for dinner. Then we have a friend.
A friend is someone you hang out with. You know them well.
And at the top, a best friend, or in slang, a bestie. This is the person who knows all your secrets.
Do you have a bestie, Michael?
I do. We've known each other for 20 years. We represent the idiom thick as thieves. We're very close.
That is sweet. I have a work wife. That's a colleague you are very close to at the office.
Yes, a work spouse. It's a purely platonic friendship, but you rely on them every day.
Part 2. The dating game. Crushes and dates.
Now, let's move to romance. It usually starts with a crush.
A crush. That feeling when you like someone secretly. I have a crush on him.
And if you're brave, you ask them out. Would you like to grab a coffee?
If they say yes, you go on a date. The first date is always nerve-wracking.
What is a red flag for you on a first date, Anna?
If they're rude to the waiter, that's a huge red flag, a warning sign. What about you?
If they only talk about themselves, or if they talk about their ex all night.
Terrible. But if the date goes well, maybe you start seeing each other.
Seeing someone means dating casually. You're not official yet.
And then, if you really like them, you become exclusive. Boyfriend and girlfriend.
Part 3. Vocabulary and grammar deep dive.
Let's define our relationship terms. Here's our deep dive.
First word, significant other. Definition, a gender-neutral way to say partner, boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, or wife. Example, please bring your significant other to the party.
Next is blind date. Definition, a date with someone you have never met before, usually arranged by a friend. Example, my sister set me up on a blind date.
A sad but common word, ghosting. Definition, ending a relationship by suddenly stopping all communication without explanation. Example, I thought he liked me, but he ghosted me.
Next is proposal. Definition: asking someone to marry you. Example: he planned a romantic proposal on the beach.
And finally, to settle down. Definition: to start living a quiet life in one place, usually getting married or buying a house. Example: she wants to travel before she settles down.
Grammar focus. Phrasal verbs for relationships.
Relationships are full of action, so we use phrasal verbs.
Let's trace the timeline. First, you meet someone and you hit it off. That means you like each other immediately.
Then you fall for them. That means you start to love them. Example: I fell for him on the second date.
Hopefully, you get along with them. That means you have a good relationship. You don't fight.
But sometimes you fall out. That means you have an argument and stop speaking.
If you fix the problem, you make up. They kissed and made up.
But if you can't fix it, you break up or split up. Example: they broke up last week.
And finally, if you overcome the sadness, you get over it. Example: it took me months to get over my ex.
Part 4. Interactive Roleplay. The date analysis.
Now, let's practice. Imagine you just went on a first date. You were telling your best friend about it.
I will be the friend. You are the daters. First, listen to Michael. So, how was the date last night?
It was great. We really hit it off. He's so funny.
That is amazing. Are you going to see him again?
Yes, he asked me out for dinner next week.
Now it's your turn. I'm your friend. I want you to tell me the date was terrible. Say he was rude. Ready? So, tell me everything. How was the date?
Did you say it? It was terrible. He was so rude.
Let's try one more. Tell me you broke up with your partner. Hey, where's your boyfriend?
We broke up last week.
Oh, I'm so sorry. See? I used empathy from episode 12.
Part 5. Friendship green flags.
Michael, we talked about red flags. What is a green flag in a friendship or relationship? A good sign.
A green flag is when they listen to you. They put their phone away when you're talking.
Yes, and they support your dreams. They're happy when you succeed.
Also, you can sit in silence with them and it's not awkward. That's true friendship.
I agree. And they forgive you when you make a mistake.
Relationships take work, but good ones are worth it.
Conclusion. We have reached the end of episode 20.
We learned about crushes, dates, and blind dates.
We mastered phrasal verbs like hit it off, fall for, and break up.
We talked about red flags and green flags.
Now here's your 15-minute action plan. Text your bestie or a good friend.
Send them a message in English if you can. Say, thanks for being a great friend.
Or just reflect on your relationships. Are you a good friend?
And before you go, we have a big question for you.
What is the most important quality in a friend or partner? Is it humor, kindness, or honesty?
Tell us in the comments. Example, for me, kindness is number 1.
Thank you for being our friends on this journey.
We will take a short break to prepare for the next season, but we'll be back.
Keep learning, keep loving. Bye, everyone.